Good day! In this video, we are going to read expressions in words and write them into symbols. Here are the questions. Number 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Number 2. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Number 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Number 4. 5 is greater than 4. Number 5. 3 is greater than 1. Number 6. 1 is less than 2. Number 7. 2 is equal to 2. Number 8. 3 equals 3. Number 9. 4 is equal to 4. Number 10. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Number 11. 4 times 2 equals 8. Number 12. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Number 13. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Number 14. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Number 15. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Number 16. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Number 17. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Number 18. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Number 19. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Number 20. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Number 21. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Number 22. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Number 23. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Number 24. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Number 25. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Congratulations! This ends our lesson for today. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.